CBI names BJP MLA and former Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje's aide Rajendra Rathore as an accused in the Dara Singh fake encounter case. Rakesh joins us for all the latest on this story. Rakesh, give us the implications of the CBI now naming the BJP MLA.
Well, CBI now including the name of Rajendra Singh Rathore as an accused in this case only proves our story right. Remember, Times Now had a few days ago run a story saying that Rajendra Singh Rathore is seen as the mastermind in this case by the CBI. And today, when the CBI submitted the charge sheet against 16 accused in the special CBI court in Jaipur, that story only stands vindicated. Now, this only means that CBI will very soon summon Rajendra Singh Rathore for interrogation, and if he doesn't come for interrogation, then an arrest warrant can be issued against him, like it has been issued against ADG AK Jain and Arshad Ali, additional SP in this case. Back to you.
Now, Rakesh, at this point of time, also this comes as an embarrassment to former Rajasthan Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje. How are they responding to these allegations? Rakesh, if you can hear me, this also comes as an embarrassment to former Rajasthan Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje. How are they responding to these allegations?
Yes, it's a huge embarrassment for Vasundhara Raje because Rajendra Singh Rathore was not only the main cabinet minister in her government but also seen as the closest BJP man to Vasundhara Raje. Therefore, this is a huge embarrassment for Vasundhara Raje, but we are yet to get a word from BJP, either from Vasundhara Raje or from Rajendra Rathore himself. We are still trying to locate Vasundhara Raje. She was some days back in Coimbatore doing a yoga and spiritual camp, but we are still trying to get an official word from that camp and see how embarrassed that party is feeling now.
Rajesh, now that the matter is in the front of the Supreme Court, it's been handed over to the CBI in 2010. It's quite soon that the CBI has come out and pointed fingers at the BJP MLA.
Yes, we'd always believed that he was the mastermind in this case, but this is now become official after the CBI filed a charge sheet against the 16 accused in the special CBI court. And it is only because the Supreme Court is monitoring this interrogation that CBI is speeding up this case and, named Rajendra Singh Rathore in this case.